And yet, somehow, in the most extreme case of murder, we still hold out this philosophy that we can kill to show how wrong it is to kill.
Of course. Yes, I'll forgive.
But I'm thinking, I'll be out here any minute. They're continuing their investigation, find out I didn't do anything. I was home in bed. I have a roommate that knows that. I'll be out here any minute.
3 different perspectives on the death penalty.
And anytime we celebrate the death penalty, we undermine the very possibilities of redemption.
Shane Claiborne is the author of Executing Grace.
We contradict the Christ who said, I've not come for the healthy, but for the sick.
Then she begins to scream out, Kayson's bleeding.
One could argue a sick young soul 23 years ago shot and killed the 3-year-old son of Charletta Evans.
Right now, I have taken on Raymond Johnson, the main shooter, as my son, to work with him and to be there for him.
You better get conviction in the death penalty case because that gets you recognition. At all costs, at any cost, get a conviction.
Ray Crone spent the prime of his life on death row before finally being exonerated thanks to new DNA evidence.
He came back with a match. Came back with a match to a man that was currently serving a 10-year sentence for having sexually assaulted a child just a few months after the murder. A man who at the time of the murder was paroled after doing about 4 years for sexually assaulting a woman, was paroled to his mom's house, who, guess what, was a few blocks away from the bar.
Since 1973, at least 160 people like Ray have been freed after evidence revealed they were convicted to die for crimes they never committed. These people will tell you these wrongful convictions cost them decades, wasted taxpayer dollars, and re-traumatized the victims' families, while the real killers remain unaccountable. In Denver at the state capitol, Stephanie Riggs, CBN News.